Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexanone. In fourth position you have ester. You are reacting with lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. You should find what difference it can make in the product. Here you have two different reagents. The reagent sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride. Here sodium borohydride is the weak reagent than lithium. So reactivity is low. On the contrary, ketone is more reactive than ester. So sodium borohydride can reduce only ketone, not ester. But lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent. It can reduce both ketone and ester. The concept you have to learn here is chemoselective reduction. Even though you have two carbonyl sodium borohydride selectively reduce carbonyl, which is ketone, due to its reducing ability. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.